subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
I got boss phone. I have to take this.
Can I have your credit card, honey?
Yeah, sure.
Where are the extra small size? Hi, excuse me, can I get a little help over here?
Yes, sure. Sorry, miss. Could you please little bit careful, you're throwing stuff on the floor. It's take longer to settle this off.
Isn't that your job?
Sorry. How can I help you?
Will you get for me extra small on this? My husband worked in a big company. He is a manager in the company.
That's amazing. Let me check our inventory. Oh, I'm so sorry, miss. Actually, we're out of all extra small.
This is unbelievable. You're not helpful at all. Hey lady, come up here. I'm not happy with your service. You're terrible, and you're useless. You helped me nothing. I took some stuff. Will you take me to counter?
Yes, please follow me. Miss, it's altogether €120, please. How would like to pay? Cash or card?
Take this credit card.
Can I see your ID card?
That's my husband card. I don't have his ID card.
If amount is more than 100, you have to show me the ID.
That's ridiculous. You think I come up to use the fake credit card? Yesterday night, I spent more than €300 for dinner.
I'm just trying to do my job.
I need to talk to your manager immediately now. Honey, I'm glad you're back. They just accused me to credit card fraud. Can you believe it? What's wrong? Why you look sad?
No. I just got off the phone with my boss. I got fired from the job.
What we supposed to do now?
I don't know, but you can't use money like this. You have to help me to find the job.
Me, I never work in my life single day.
This is time to start now. She can't believe what just happened. Where her husband is jobless. She eventually start doing the job. She has to listen to rude customers and work long hours. One day.
Oh, are you here for that shirt?
No, I'm actually here to apologize for the way I treated you. You see, I got a job in retail, and now I realized it the way I behaved with you. You never know how hard jobs is until you have to do it yourself. Do you think you can forgive me for that?
Wow. Thank you. That's mean a lot. The end.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.